pyramids of Giza stand as enduring enigmas, shrouded in mystery that continues to baffle researchers and historians. Despite countless studies and excavations, the secrets of their construction remain elusive. Throughout Egypt, thousands of hieroglyphs have been discovered, offering insights into various aspects of ancient life and culture. Yet, curiously, not a single inscription provides a definitive explanation of how these monumental structures were built, or how the ancients managed to manipulate and shape colossal stones with such precision. The absence of explicit details in the hieroglyphs adds to the intrigue surrounding the pyramids, fueling speculation and theories that span the spectrum of imagination. From advanced technologies to supernatural intervention, the quest for answers has led to a multitude of hypotheses, each as elusive as the next. As time marches on, the pyramids of Giza stand as silent witnesses to the passage of centuries, their secrets veiled in the sands of time. Whether we will ever unravel the mysteries of their construction remains uncertain, leaving us to marvel at the ingenuity and capabilities of ancient civilizations. 10 facts about the pyramids of Giza that will blow your mind. Throughout history, the mysteries of ancient Egypt have captivated the imagination of scholars and enthusiasts alike. Yet, despite our fascination with the pyramids, the true secrets of their construction remain shrouded in mystery. Surprisingly, only a scant few ancient Egyptian texts make any mention of these monumental structures. It wasn't until 2013 that a remarkable discovery shed some light on the enigma of pyramid construction. Fragments of papyrus were unearthed, offering tantalizing glimpses into the methods employed by the ancient builders. These precious remnants hint at the transportation of limestone blocks via the mighty Nile River, providing a crucial clue in unraveling the age-old puzzle. While the discovery represents a significant step forward in our understanding, it also underscores the vast gaps in our knowledge of ancient Egyptian civilization. As we continue to unearth relics of the past, each fragment brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of this ancient culture. Yet for now, the mysteries of the pyramids remain as enigmatic as ever, inviting speculation and wonder from scholars and laypeople alike. The pyramids, those iconic marvels of ancient Egypt, hold a peculiar secret within their massive stone walls. Surprisingly, not a single hieroglyph graces their interiors, and the absence of paintings, burial treasures, or mummies raises more questions than answers. It's a stark contrast to the elaborate tombs nestled in the Valley of the Kings. The colossal structures seem to guard their enigma with austere silence. The absence of such adornments leaves visitors to ponder the purpose of these monumental structures, monuments that stand as testaments to a civilization's ingenuity and engineering prowess. On the other hand, the tombs at the Valley of the Kings paint a different picture. Richly decorated, they boast intricate hieroglyphics that narrate tales of the afterlife, elaborate artworks that stretch from floor to ceiling, and treasures that once accompanied pharaohs on their journey beyond mortal realms. This stark dichotomy between the pyramids and the Valley of the Kings invites speculation and fuels the intrigue surrounding the purpose of these monumental structures. The silent stones of the pyramids guard their secrets, challenging us to uncover the mysteries concealed within their formidable walls. The alignment of the pyramids with true north, rather than magnetic north, is a remarkable feat of ancient engineering. The Great Pyramid, in particular, showcases an astonishing level of precision. It deviates from perfect alignment by a mere 3.4 arc minutes, which translates to a precision of approximately 1 millimeter per meter of its base length. Considering the immense size of the pyramid, executing this precision on something with a footprint of over 13 acres is astounding. The meticulous craftsmanship displayed in the assembly of these colossal stones is a testament to the skill and ingenuity of the ancient builders. How they managed to achieve such precise alignment without the aid of modern technology continues to baffle and inspire researchers to this day. For nearly 3,900 years, the Great Pyramid stood tall, reigning as the world's tallest structure until the 14th century, when the towering spires of Lincoln Cathedral took over the accolade. Rising to a height of 481 feet, this ancient marvel has weathered the sands of time, although a touch of erosion has humbled its peak. An enduring testament to human ingenuity, the Great Pyramid held its lofty status in the annals of architectural history. It stood tall and proud, casting its shadow over the world for millennia until the medieval grandeur of Lincoln Cathedral gracefully took the baton. Once upon a time, the Great Pyramid of Giza stood as a gleaming marvel, its surface adorned with pristine white limestone casing stones. Some researchers even speculate that the pyramid's capstones were adorned with precious metals like gold. However, this majestic exterior was not destined to last forever. Over the centuries, the Great Pyramid endured the ravages of time and nature. It is believed that damages caused by earthquakes led to the dislodging of the casing stones, exposing the inner core of the pyramid. To add insult to injury, locals seized the opportunity to plunder the fallen stones, repurposing them for their own needs. The Great Pyramid stands as a testament to the ingenuity and mastery of ancient engineering. Comprised of approximately 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, its construction is nothing short of extraordinary. What makes this feat even more remarkable is the primitive tools used by the builders: simple copper saws, chisels, and pounding stones. Imagine the sheer effort required to quarry these massive stones from the earth using such rudimentary tools. The process of shaping and transporting each block would have been a Herculean task in itself, requiring meticulous planning and unwavering determination. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring aspect of the Great Pyramid's construction is the precision with which the stones were placed. Despite the colossal size and weight of the blocks, they fit together seamlessly, forming an iconic structure that continues to mesmerize and mystify to this day. The precision of the construction of the Great Pyramid is nothing short of remarkable. The inner chamber blocks and casing stones were fitted together with such exactitude that even a razor blade couldn't slide between them. This feat becomes even more astonishing when you consider that some of the granite blocks used in the king's chamber weigh a staggering 80 tons each. The meticulous craftsmanship displayed in the assembly of these colossal stones is a testament to the skill and ingenuity of the ancient builders. How they managed to achieve such precise alignment without the aid of modern technology continues to baffle and inspire researchers to this day. The sheer magnitude of the Great Pyramid never fails to astonish. With an estimated weight of approximately 6 million tons, this ancient marvel stands as a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of its builders. To put this into perspective, few structures in the modern world rival its colossal mass. In fact, as of today, only two other man-made structures surpass the Great Pyramid in weight: the expansive Great Wall of China and the imposing Three Gorges Dam. These monumental feats of engineering serve as reminders of humanity's remarkable ability to shape the landscape on a grand scale. In the late 18th century, during his visit to Egypt, Napoleon Bonaparte made an intriguing observation about the Great Pyramid, one that showcased both his keen intellect and the sheer magnitude of this ancient wonder. Napoleon, renowned for his strategic brilliance, undertook a calculation that left many in awe. It is said that Napoleon, standing in the shadow of the towering structure, performed a remarkable feat of mental arithmetic. With precision and clarity, he deduced that the Great Pyramid contained enough material to construct a wall standing 10 feet high around the entire perimeter of mainland France. What's even more astonishing is the belief that Napoleon himself conducted this calculation, highlighting his remarkable mathematical prowess. It's a curious quirk of history that Cleopatra, the famed Egyptian queen, lived closer to our era than to the time when the iconic pyramids were built. This factoid serves as a striking reminder of the immense period encompassed by ancient Egypt's rich heritage. In Egypt, there's a well-known proverb that speaks to the enduring legacy of the pyramids: "Man fears time, time fears the pyramids." This age-old saying encapsulates the awe-inspiring nature of these ancient wonders. Despite the passage of millennia, the pyramids stand as enduring symbols of human ingenuity and perseverance, seemingly defying the relentless march of time itself. The pyramids of Giza stand as enduring symbols of human ingenuity and perseverance, their mysteries inviting speculation and wonder from scholars and laypeople alike. As we continue to unravel the secrets of these ancient marvels, we're reminded of the timeless allure of Egypt's rich heritage. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content on history, facts, unique stories, and beyond. Thank you for watching.